He's here for his breakfast. It's kind of a cold, rainy morning today. I had his breakfast set over on the porch under the overhang, but he won't eat it there. He wanted me to bring it back to the usual spot. So I did, long enough for him to eat. Then I'll probably have to put it back under the porch again, under here, to try to keep it from getting wet and ruining it, because then they won't eat it at all. I think I'll make chili today, kitty. It's a good day for it. What do you think? He said, yeah, that's a good idea. Make some chili today, Tom. Stop eating so fast. You're gonna choke yourself. There ain't nobody even out here. Look, there's nobody. There's no other kitties anywhere in sight. You keep eating all fast and gulping hard and looking around all crazy. There ain't nobody here. And look how big you are. You get fed every single day. You're not starving. Chill out.